So, like I said, that we get, how we get toothpaste and toothbrushes, so do we also get these tongue cleaner. They are either metallic or they are plastic. Okay, they are not, they don't hurt your tongue much when you clean them, but small children, you should have the plastic ones. Okay, anyway, so we need to clean our tongue. Take out your tongue like that, put the center part of the tongue cleaner and just bring it down. Ask your parents, your elder sister, elder brother, to help you how to use a tongue cleaner. Then try not to be very miser. Try not to be very lazy also, that you continue brushing your teeth with the brush which is old enough. It has got all these bristles come out, okay, and it's very, some are running there, some are running here, but you are in your laziness or in your, you don't want to spend money, you keep growing, you keep cutting that outgrown, or not outgrown should I say, some which are turned and twisted the other way. Okay, you go clip it with your scissors and use it again. Stop doing that. Alright, every 2 months you need to, you better change your toothbrush, otherwise you start hurting your soft tender gums. Eat raw vegetables like carrot and radish and fruits like apples and pears to exercise your gums and teeth. Okay, the carrots, radish, apples, they help you to exercise. They keep your tooth and your gums strong enough. Okay, try to eat these fruits, pears for one. Very nice. Drink milk to get strong teeth. Calcium in milk helps to build teeth strong. Eat citrus fruits like oranges to avoid bleeding gums. Citrus is a kind of a chemical, okay, where we normally find them in those juicy fruits like oranges, grapes, okay, lemon, lime. All right, you'll find them there. Try to eat those fruits which are juicy. Mind you, they also build up your immunity system. Oranges are good during this pandemic time, this COVID-19 time, because it builds up your immunity. Immunity is the ability of the body to fight diseases. Very important. All right, so immunity, remember the word immunity. So now this fruit, oranges, helps us to stop getting our gums from bleeding. Bleeding gums are not good. Avoid eating sticky food like chocolates and chewing gums. You know, it is nice, tasty, good. We children, we love to eat our chocolates and chewing gum. Avoid them. Don't do it. They're not nice. Visit your dentist at least once in 6 months. A dentist will tell you whether your teeth are growing well or not. Okay? Don't go to the dentist only when you get pain or when you get bleeding. Try to go to him even when you don't get these symptoms. Okay, you try to visit him. He'll tell you, guide you that how well are your teeth growing. Sometimes permanent teeth need more space, but the jaw of a child is small. In that case, the teeth starts growing outwards. We all are our tooth, each tooth has got a definite fixed space for it to grow and spread in our gums. All right, but sometimes it so happens that these tooth outgrow, or rather should I say, they come out of the space that is fixed to them and they grow outwards. Now in that case, a dentist then puts braces. Braces are just like, you see, there are boundary walls which have these barbed wire. So something like a barbed wire, they are there put around our teeth, group of teeth, to hold it tight and get it fixed so that it does not outgrow. You can see in the picture top right on page number 12. Okay, these are the braces. We said them braces. Role of food for healthy teeth and gums. Very important. Again, each part of our body requires a certain kind of food. All right, so do the teeth. Green leafy vegetables rich in iron and calcium are good for healthy teeth and gums. Milk, cheese, milk, cheese and yogurt. Yogurt is your curd, your dahi. Reduce acid levels in the mouth. Acid? You must be wondering why acid in our mouth. Acid is very dangerous. No. There are some acid in our mouth, in our stomach, okay, but they are good. They are not as corrosive, they are not as damaging as you see in these pictures in your cereals when some acid is thrown. Dangerous. Don't do it, don't try it. But yes, there are some acid present in our mouth, in our stomach as well. Okay, but they are mild and they do wonders for our body. Eating plenty of fresh vegetables can help clean your teeth. Beans, nuts, fish and even meat are rich in proteins and keep your teeth looking white and feeling good. So there are these there are these foods which you can use them as your diet to have a healthy set of teeth. Fish, meat, okay, cheese, vegetables and milk, all these are good for your teeth and gums. How to brush your teeth? Use a soft brush and toothpaste or a tooth powder to clean your teeth. Number 2, move your brush gently. Don't keep hurting your gums. Moving it by fast and hard so that your gums do not get hurt. Move your brush gently upwards and downwards direction or in a circular motion. Clean the inner sides of your teeth as well. Very important. Like that. Upper also. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner or with the brush. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with a mouthwash to prevent teeth decay and gum diseases. There are plenty available in the market. Okay, liquid kind of mouth rinser. Okay, mouthwash rather we say. You can use this, just gargle it with it and throw it out, and they keep your teeth from decaying. They don't let your teeth decay and don't get the gum disease. Floss your teeth at least once a day. Flossing helps to get rid of a food and plaque between the teeth. Floss, you know, you must have seen some thread. Mama and daddy sometimes they use thread to clean it between the tooth. Toothpick should be avoided. Toothpick, again, a small wooden sharp stick, okay, we put it in between our mouth and try to clean it. Don't do it, because it might injure your gums. Flossing is little healthier, better it is. Put it like across between your tooth. The mother, your father can teach you, okay, and then clean it. Once a day you should do it. It will help you to get rid of food and plaque. What is plaque? It's kind of a bacteria, okay, which are sticky and yellowish in color, sometimes pale in color, sometimes colorless. Okay, it's kind of a coating, a film over our tooth, which is due to the saliva, food, okay, and some fluids that we eat. It is not healthy. So stop getting that into your mouth. Have a healthy dental hygiene. If you want to protect your teeth from cavities, you should be careful about what you eat, drink. Junk food such as burgers, pizzas, fried potatoes should not be eaten too often. Often means don't keep on doing every time. Food items such as cakes, pastries, sweets, chocolates and cold drinks can prove dangerous for your bones and teeth. Avoid them. You must be noticing your parents, they tell you don't too much of chocolate, too much of cold drink. No, we're not getting this. We're not getting sweets and pastries. Okay, they do it for you. Yes, all of them, they taste nice. All of them are one preference, okay, which every child prefers. Okay, no, try to eat them. Don't eat very often. Rinse your mouth properly every time you have such food items. If you see a cavity or feel a sharp pain while eating an ice cream, visit a dentist immediately. Rinse when you put your mouth, try to let it go around and around when you put water in your mouth and let it go around and around with your tongue, okay, with your suction that we normally do to our water part, and then we gargle and then we spit it. That's called rinsing, okay, of our mouth with water. Do that every time when you have food item. When you start getting sharp pain while eating an ice cream, that's the bell. Alertness for you. For what? To go and visit dentist immediately. Alright. So we finished our chapter here. Now, so what all you know now here? The milk teeth are replaced by 32 permanent teeth. Milk teeth, the teeth that you grow after a few months from your birth. You start growing when you are small. That is your milk teeth. They are fallen at the age of 6 or little further than that. They followed off a mouth. Okay, your mummy must have told, your someone, your grandmother must have, or your sister must have told, or brothers must have told, keep that fallen tooth under your pillow and wish something. All right, after sometimes you get that wish there fulfilled. All right, these small stories our grandmothers have been telling us. So they are replaced by the 32 permanent teeth. There are 4 kinds of teeth: incisors for biting, canines for tearing, and premolars and molars for crushing and grinding. The parts of the tooth are crown, like I told you here, all right. Then the enamel, all right, crown, enamel, dentine, pulp, and the root. Okay. Bacteria can grow in dirty teeth and cause cavities. Brush your teeth and clean your tongue in the morning and at night. Night we avoid, we get lazy, but do not. If you want to have those group of teeth, set of teeth to last longer and be healthy and shiny and nice, try to do it also try to brush your teeth also in the night. Each food rich in calcium and phosphorus to have healthy bones and teeth. So we end our chapter here, and these are the multiple choice questions on page number 23. Then we have 24. Okay, all these are there, and page number 25 has got some, and 26 have some nice things to read. You can read them. Okay, and we can read this in our next chapter as well. All right, so here we finish. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please revise whenever a class like this happens, or when you come and have a regular classes, please also revise in your free time, so that you can understand it better. Revision is always a better option, is always very helpful. All right, thank you, and stay safe, be happy, don't trouble your parents much. See you. हो गया रवि. Thank you.